Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Cindy and today's video will be a little different than usual. I decided I wanted to do more full-length tutorials here on my channel, so this tutorial is a bit longer, but you'll be able to follow along while I give you some in-depth instructions. Let me know what you think in the comments below the video. Make sure to check out the list of supplies too and subscribe if you like my videos. Have fun and thanks for your support! I start by applying a layer of black gesso on the palette. It's just a regular wooden palette bought at a budget store. You could also start by adding texture, but I like to start with a base of black gesso. It seems a bit easier to get a good coverage later on in the process. During this video I will speed up some parts, otherwise this video will take hours. I decide to use a 13 art stencil and my new black sand paste by Finnabair. It's a gorgeous paste that dries as a gravel kind of texture. It really looks cool. It's almost a shame that I'm going to paint over it. My next step is some Crackle paste. It's best to let your paste air dry overnight, for instance, but I'm really too impatient. Drying it with your heat tool is definitely possible, but it will create less dramatic cracks. So make sure to keep that in mind when using this type of paste. When I showed you guys my new Prima treasures, a lot of you were curious about the sculpture medium. So here it is. I found out that it's similar to hard sealer or plates stiffy, but I must say that I like this medium better than the other ones. It dries very stiff and quite fast compared to the others. It didn't even burn my cheesecloth when I speeded up the drying process with my heat tool. And that's kind of a big deal. I apply a bit more medium to the parts that I find aren't soaked enough yet, to make sure everything dries stiff and it loses all its flexibility. I apply a layer of black gesso on the elements that I chose to work with. I do like to work in this order, although it's just a case of preference. You could also start by adhering all the elements, but I find it easier to apply paint when I haven't adhered everything yet. But again, it's just what you like best. Here's a little reminder to never throw out your old brushes again, because you can easily use them on a mixed media project. You better never throw out anything anymore, because you can use pretty much everything on your projects. I usually don't adhere things with a glue gun though. This type of glue tends to loosen in time, but these brushes are like really annoying, so I just adhere them the easy way. One of the main reasons that I love to work on black is the way Finnabair waxes behave on this type of background. It looks really pretty, and if you combine one of the metallic colors with one or two other colors, you can't go wrong. Project, I'm combining paints and waxes, and I start with Mermaid Teal, which is a metallic Finnabair paint. Check out the description box below the video for a full list of supplies and the exact colors that I've used on this piece. discover my best advice for today's video. When in doubt, create a color card with swatches of the colors you are planning to use. This way you won't give yourself any unwanted surprises when colors end up differently than you planned. And it's fun to keep those cards as a reference card for future pieces. And let the magic happen. One of the easiest techniques to use is a layer of paint and a little bit of wax. Make sure to really restrain yourself from going all overboard with the wax. That way you'll mess up the effect. Trust me, I've been there. But with the right balance of paint and wax, you'll create some insanely pretty elements. Whenever I think I'm missing something, I just add some Lindy's Gang embossing powder, especially the angel wings powders. They are the perfect finishing touch. Just a quick layer of Versamark and you're good to go. One of my favorite waxes is the Opal Magic type. They look so pretty on darker backgrounds and they create a stunning effect when used with other mediums. I'm combining turquoise satin Opal Magic with metallic peacock this time. Using a dabber brush creates a fun textured layer. Using heavy gel to adhere my elements. I like to use this type of gel because it dries really permanent and I love to play around with the elements in my composition for a while before it stays on forever. You could also use 3D gel with these metal pieces, but I wouldn't recommend to use the soft gels. I've applied a layer of aged brass wax to the side of my palette to make it coordinate with the rest of the piece. As my finishing touches, I'm applying glass glitter, mica flakes and Finnabair unicorn paste. The paste dries slowly, but it's worth the wait, I promise. Seen more of my videos, you will know I love this technique. I create splatters using a toothbrush and diluted white gesso. It gives the impression of a night sky and I absolutely love it. But I'm not sure if I should use it on every piece as I'm doing at the moment. This is the finished palette. I hope you had fun watching this tutorial and maybe even creating along with me. I'd love to read your thoughts about the video below in the comment section and see what you've created. If you tag me on social media, I'll make sure to have a look. Make sure to check out the list of supplies below and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.